Honor Magic V2 Foldable has been launched in China, and the company shared an interesting design story behind their device. The centerpiece element of the device is its portability, and it shows the handset is considerably thinner and lighter than the Z Fold 5, being 10.1mm slim versus 13.4 when unfolded, and 231 grams versus 250 grams. Honor argues that according to the market research, consumers has portability at top of the priority list. Let's start with the innovative hinge design. It uses titanium elements which boast higher rigidity, lower weights, and anti-corrosion properties. The shaft cover is made of titanium, making it 150% tougher and 42% lighter at the same time. When it comes to the main body, it is made of a special kind of steel used for tunnel boring applications. It strikes the perfect balance between durability and thinness, shaving off a few millimeters. This particular steel is 20% thinner and 20% stronger than aluminum previously used for this application. Honor redesigned the hinge support structure, and thanks to the steel and titanium combo, it allows the company to reduce the depth of the fold marks on the screen by 47%. A new brake capillary damping structure ensures smooth and stable travel. Huawei has come with a tiny micro-lock component the size of rice grain that prevents misalignment, which in turn has a potential to make fold mark after prolonged usage. Redesigned tiny screws also have been used to put all the components together. The hinge gets certification from SGS, ensuring the mechanism can fold unfold 400,000 times. This makes up to 100 folds per day for 10 years. Another breakthrough design choice resides with the display. The foldable panel uses a 3-in-1 display driver component that saves space. Honor used the space to fit an impressive bifoldable standard 5000 mAh battery. The battery is a silicon carbon battery pack with improved energy density. The Magic V2 looks impressive on paper and has visited labs where it was tested and played it for a short time. It might have a very impressive hardware wise. It is the thinnest and lightest foldable phone in the market. The only place where Huawei fails is the software support. If they can match the same as Samsung, giving 4 years of Android OS updates and 5 years of OS security update, it will be a perfect phone.